This video is sponsored by Carter, manufacturers of water pumps and fuel pumps since 1909. Visit carterengineered.com to learn more.
Probably one of the most essential tools when you're replacing a fuel pump. Do you know what it is? It's not a scan tool, it's not a screwdriver, it's not even the lift that you park the car on. It is an extractor for the fuel so you can pump out that contaminated fuel that damaged the pump in the first place. There are two things that can contaminate a fuel pump. First of all, it's the fuel filler. If the customer leaves the cap off the fuel filler, well, contamination can get inside the tank. I'm talking about dirt, debris, and water. That stuff can go to the bottom of the tank, and it's eventually going to be picked up by the fuel pump, and it's going to be damaged, or at least restricted, and the pump is going to have to work even harder to get fuel past the screen. The second source of contamination, well, it's actually the pump itself. If a pump self-destructs, or there's issues with the turbine or other things inside the fuel pump module, well, that can cause contamination inside the tank, and it will remain in the tank until you remove it from the tank. So if you put in a brand new fuel pump, well, that contamination is still going to be there, and it's going to damage that brand new pump. Just remember that every time you go to replace a fuel pump, that you're extracting the gas from the tank and you're cleaning out the tank. This way you can be sure that brand new fuel pump, well, it's in a very clean environment and it's going to last a long time. Also, if you intend to reuse the fuel, make sure you filter it before you put it back in the tank. I'm Markel. Thank you very much.